Let's avoid the vertical video. Okay, so this is my procedure for soldering small surface mount parts using the hot plate. The microscope is incredibly helpful for this, so we're going to be looking through that. Let me find, there we go. So, and eyepiece is in the way. I've done this before. Why is it so hard to line that up? There we go. Okay, so you can see I first epoxied the parts down. This won't always be necessary, but the smaller the part is relative to the amount of solder that you have to use, the more likely it is to get blown away when the flux starts to boil. So I epoxied it down, and after it was firm enough to sustain being rotated 90 degrees and the parts not falling off, I applied the solder paste. So the solder paste now being applied, I'm going to bake it on that hot plate at 230 degrees or thereabouts until the solder melts. There's a glass plate on top with a windbreaker so that you can keep the part isolated from losing the heat in that little chamber so created. So and as soon as the solder goes molten, you'll be able to see it. So as soon as that happens, I'll pull the plate off, cut the power, wait a while, and then pull the board off with tweezers after the solder's solidified. So when that process begins, I'll take more footage from above.